Here are 3 mistakes that people commonly make when they are trying to present their personal brand on LinkedIn. The first is to not know why you are on the platform, not being clear about your goals or your objectives, because if you don't know what you want to achieve, how do you know if you're ever going to achieve it? So the first thing you need to know is whether you are on LinkedIn to get to know people, to learn from people, build your network, get more visibility, or to find a new job. Because once you're clear on that, the rest will fall into place. The second mistake that people make with their personal brand on LinkedIn is not knowing their point of difference. I can't tell you the number of people who come to me wanting a profile makeover only to discover that they really don't have a clue as to what it is they're really offering or how they stand out from their competitors. It's essential to know what makes you different, what makes you unique, and what makes you you. Because if you can't get that authenticity across, then you are not going to be able to convince people that you are trustworthy, credible, knowledgeable, and worth doing business with. The third mistake people make with their personal brand on LinkedIn is not standing out, trying to be the same as everybody else. It's very beige. They don't add videos, they don't add images, they just put up their CV or resume and expect people just to want to connect with them and to develop relationships. It doesn't work like that. You need to stand out as being different. It comes back to knowing your point of difference so that you can stand out as uniquely you. So those are the 3 mistakes that people make on LinkedIn when it comes to their personal brand. Not being clear on their goals, not knowing their point of difference, and not standing out from others.